I'm MGDev and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we'll continue to create a 2D platform game. We'll now add coin to our game to make the player could collect something. So create a new scene, click other node, inside node 2D, choose area 2D, click on area 2D and rename to coin. We must add a collision shape 2D. Click on plus, inside node 2D, click on collision shape 2D and click create. In the inspector panel, choose circle shape 2D for our coin. Click on coin, click plus. Inside node 2D, choose a sprite. I will copy and paste the objects folder to images folder. Inside objects folder we have coin PNG image. Click on sprite and choose texture, load, and inside images and inside objects choose coin PNG. Click on transform and set scale x to 0.5 and y to 0.5. Now let's set a collision shape 2D. I will disable grid snapping. I will create objects folder for coin. I will save scene as coin tscn inside objects folder. Click on coin and let's set collisions for coin. For layer set fourth square and for mask set first square. For layer fourth square and for mask first square. Click on coin, click this button, attach a new or existing script. Click scripts folder and create coin.gd script. Click create. Open player character script and I will add a variable for coins. Coins that was collected by the player character. Save scene and go to coin script. Click on coin and go to node tab. Click on body entered, signal. Emitted when a physics body or tile map enters this area 2D requires monitoring to be set to true. Click on body entered, click connect, and receiver method is onCoinBodyEntered. That will be created in coin script. Inside the method, type this code. If player character string is inside body name and body leaves are greater than 0, then we want to add 1 to coins. This is a variable coins. And we want to add 1 to this variable. And we want to also delete coin using Q3 method. I will also add a print function that will print the quantity coins was collected by the player character. Go to level 1. Click on level 1 node. Click this button to instance child node. Click objects coin tscn and click open. Click coin. And let's test our game. As you can see, the information appeared that the player has collected coin. And let's add more coins. Duplicate coin. And let's move coin 2 to other position. Let's test our game. As you can see, the information appeared that the player has collected 2 coins. I will comment this line because we don't need it. Save all scenes. As in every game, we need a HUD also in our game. So click on plus to create new scene, click user interface, rename control to HUD, click on HUD, click plus to add new node, inside control choose center container. Let's set width, height and anchors for center container. Click on center container, click plus, inside control, inside container, inside box container, choose H box container. This is a horizontal box container. Click create. Click on H box container. Click plus. Inside control, inside container, inside box container, choose again H box container. Duplicate this H box container. Click this box container, this H box container, and click plus. Inside control, choose texture rect. Rename the texture rect to HUD1. Duplicate HUD1. And rename HBox container to hertz HBox cont. Rename HBox container to coins HBox cont. Click on coins HBox cont and click plus, and inside control choose texture rect, click create, rename texture rect to coins, click on images folder, and I will copy and paste the HUD folder to images. Inside HUD folder we have coin PNG and HUD PNG. For HUD1 and texture in the inspector panel, choose HUD inside HUD and images folder. Do the same for HUD2 and HUD3. Let's set texture for coins. Click load, click image, click HUD, and click choose coin PNG image. I will move the center container up and its anchors. That green arrow is an anchor. And this is information. What does anchor do? I will also add a label that will show how many player collected coins. Rename label to coins label. Set text in inspector panel to 0. And I will set a font for label and parameters for font. Click on theme overrides, click fonts, new dynamic font. Click on dynamic font, choose a font. Click load. Inside fonts folder, choose Kenny Future Narrow. Let's set settings for font, size, outline size, and outline color. Let's save scene as HUD TSCN. Let's test our HUD. Click on HUD and click this button to attach new script. Click on scripts folder and create hud.gd script. Click create. Inside player character script, I will add two auxiliary functions. The first adds coins and the second subtracts leaves. The first auxiliary function adds coins, and the second auxiliary function subtracts leaves. I will also add my own signals. You can create your own signal using the keyword signal. I will use these signals inside auxiliary functions using emit signal function. Let's save scene. Go to coin script. And instead of coins variable, we want to add coins function with an argument 1. Let's save this scene. Go to enemy Dino script, and I will add subtract leaves function to the enemy Dino script. I will delete leaves variable. And type subtract leaves with an argument 1. Save scene. Go to level 1. Click level 1 and click plus to add new node. Click on canvas layer and click create. Click on canvas layer, click this button to instance child scene, click on HUD and click open. Now HUD is visible on the screen. Save scene. And let's test our game. The HUD is visible, but the number of coins is still 0. Therefore, we have to use signals. We need to send signals from player character to HUD. Click on player character, go to node tab, click on coins changed and click connect. click on HUD, and this is a receiver method that will be created in HUD.gd script. Click again on player character, click leaves changed, and click connect. And again click on HUD, and this is a receiver method that will be created in HUD.gd script. The second argument of functions are the variables coins and leaves, which we will use in the HUD script. Save all scenes. Click on coins label using right mouse button and choose copy notepad. Inside first function type $sign and paste the notepad. After this type dot and set text function. Set text will set the text that will be shown. In this case it is the number of coins, but CNS is an integer, so we need to change it in the type string. So type string with an argument CNS as an argument of set text function. Let's type code of the second function. Depending on the number of leaves, we have to show the right amount of hairs. Click on head tree using right mouse button and choose copy notepad. Type $sign, after this paste the path. After this type dot. Click on head tree, go to visibility in inspector panel and change in modulate, change alpha channel. Copy this color. After head tree in second function, type modulate. Press Ctrl and click on modulate, then we will go to the documentation. As you can see, we have modulate. This is a property, and set modulate and get modulate functions. We want to call set modulate function with an argument. Argument of this function is type of color class. and I will pass a color as a string. Press Ctrl and click color. Then we will go to the documentation. And this is a color function that will set a color for our HUD. Depending on how much the player has leaves, so that many hertz should be visible. So if player has 2 leaves, then HUD 3 should be less visible. If player has 1 leaf, then HUD 3 and HUD 2 should be less visible. And if player has 0 leaves, then HUD 3, HUD 2 and HUD 1 should be less visible. I will restore this HUD to its default value. Save scene. And let's test our game. As you can see, hertz become transparent because the player has 0 leaves. Start game again. The coins counter works fine too. And counts coins. And that's all in this episode. Thanks for watching this episode. Best regards, MGDev.